Hi everybody, welcome to the road trip. Today we've got a really pretty car to look at, a 1953 Packard Caribbean. And we have the car's owner, his name's Roger. Roger, thanks for showing us your car.
You're quite welcome.
How many years have you had it?
Approximately 12, 13 years.
Really? Did you just stumble across it, or was it a car you always were looking for?
No, I was at a show 12, 13 years ago, and I saw this big car out in the distance. And so I walked up to it, and I said to myself, wow. And it was a Packard Convertible, and I said to myself, I want to get one of those. So I started to do my research, and I learned about this special model. It's called a Packard Caribbean. And so I went on the hunt to find one. And originally, I thought I wanted a color called Matador Maroon, which had a metal flake in it. I liked that color, but then I discovered this color, which is a factory color. And I said, no, that's the color for me. So again, I went on the hunt, and I found one in all places in Maine. And as soon as I found it, I went up to see it, and I was sold. And in a few days, it was coming down to my garage outside of Philadelphia.
Really? And tell us again, what's the color of this?
All right, the color is Gulf Green Metallic. Not golf, but Gulf, as in the Gulf of Mexico or America, whichever you choose.
Gulf Green Metallic.
And this is, as I said, a factory color.
I love the color, and I've always loved Caribbeans. And to be honest with you, I think I've been mispronouncing it for years. I called it a Caribbean, but you corrected me. It's a Caribbean.
Caribbean.
Now, let's look at the interior. Let me walk around that side real quick. Maybe you can open the door for us.
Sure.
The door panel, as you can see, is in beautiful shape. Did you do any of the restoration, or did you
No,
get it
I
like
bought
this?
it looking like this. It's had some mechanical needs over the years because it's...
Like the power window switches here.
Yeah, the car has power windows, power steering, power seats.
Where's the power seat switch?
Is
that in the front?
That switch right there.
Okay, I see it now. How about that?
And, of course, power top.
Power top. What color is the top?
Top is white. It's a white canvas.
Love the emblem here. It's nice and crystal clear. Beautiful. Engine turn dash, which looks great. Is this pretty much all stock? Doesn't look like there's any modifications or anything here.
No, no modifications that I'm aware of.
Is that a radio speaker there?
That's the radio speaker. Currently, the radio is out of service.
Out of service. I like that phrase. It's out of service.
So what I do instead is I use my Bluetooth on the phone, and I have a Bluetooth speaker, and that's quote my radio and music.
I see you got the spotlight.
This is a spotlight. People ask, why do you have a spotlight? Back then, it was not unusual for cars to have this. My father had one. It was used mostly for people to read street signs, or street numbers, and I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but many years ago they were outlawed. It's no longer legal.
I see you've got a lot of vintage pieces back here. What are we looking at?
Well, we're looking at some Samsonite luggage.
Which I like the color. Did it come with the car? Or did you have to source
I got those on eBay.
You gotta love eBay.
And I got the water cooler container also on eBay. That's period.
And what is this little box here? Is that a camera?
And that's a camera. It's a Roy Rogers camera.
Oh, I've never heard of a Roy Rogers camera.
Well, neither had I.
Until you saw it on eBay?
But I've heard of Roy Rogers.
Until you saw it on eBay, right?
Well, I saw it on eBay, so I figure why not?
I love it. You got to have these cool vintage pieces displayed with the car like this. It looks very clean in here. It looks like everything's been addressed. The interior obviously has been redone. I really like this chrome strip here with this Packard emblem.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of chrome right there. A lot of glamour there. Now, what's the scoop on these wheels?
Those are the Kelsey Hayes wheels. Obviously, they're wire wheels, and that was standard with the car.
All Caribbeans had those wheels?
Yes,
you know?
As far as I know, yes.
And I guess all had this...
Only the 53s did they cut out the rear...
The wheel well?
Wheel well, yes.
That trim is pretty wide.
Yeah, on the 54s, it's the same body, but it's different. And they didn't make as many. They made 750 of these. I believe 400 of the 54s, and I think they kind of cut back on extras
Yeah.
because they were not in the greatest financial shape.
I like the Continental kit. Was that factory to the Caribbean?
Yes.
So this car would have been built with that?
Oh, yes.
And I like this trim here. Almost looks like a I don't know, a fin.
Fin.
Chrome fin. But it's kind of before the fin age. 53, a little bit early for the fins. Got the reverse light there, which is cool. The gas door. What powers this car?
It's a straight 8, which Packard was known for. They used that engine many years. It's 180 horsepower, 327 cube.
Can we look at it?
Sure.
Before you open it, let me look at the front end here.
Sure.
You got these amber lights. Are they
Well,
stock,
those
or
are fog lights. I assume a previous owner added them.
I like them. And the other lights on the outer side is what, driving
parking.
lights? Parking lights.
And if you note, it says Packard on the fog lights.
It does.
On top.
Oh, on top. Okay, there we go. I see it now. Nice emblem there. Is this a Caribbean emblem or is this a Packard
It's
emblem?
a Packard emblem.
A Packard emblem. And I like this sign. And I like this girl here. Is that, what's the story on this girl? Is she a friend of yours? Did she,
Well, I thought she was, but she left me, can you believe it, for another car.
I can't
What
believe
could be better than a Caribbean?
I know. How the hell did she find something better than a 53 Caribbean?
Don't know.
But she looks good in your car.
Yes.
Let's pop the hood.
All right.
Is this, before you do it, is this a working vent here?
This is not a working vent. It's leaded in, and
Okay.
it's very heavy.
Okay, it's a two-handed hood. Wow, prop bar and everything, huh?
Get in there. There we go.
What are we looking at, Roger?
Well, again, this is the straight 8 Packard engine.
Beautifully detailed.
It's positive ground.
About how much horsepower do you think?
It's 180.
180. Well, that's pretty good for 53.
Yeah.
And a straight 8. How's it run for you?
Runs fine.
3-speed automatic?
Actually, 2-speed. It's
2-speed
It's
automatic.
called the Ultramatic. It's basically low and high. And high
Okay.
starts out sort of like in a second, but it just keeps going.
Really? Was it detailed this nice when you bought it? Did you have to do much cleaning up in here?
It was pretty clean. I had the engine painted, and I've added the chrome nuts.
Okay.
They're not standard.
Looks a little nice in there with the chrome. Dresses it up a little bit. Well, it looks beautiful. I love your car, Roger.
Thank you.
Absolutely love it. Is this a period inspection sticker?
Yes.
53. Look at that. Was that on it when you got it? Just
No,
sort of-
I got that.
Yeah.
And you might want to look at, when we were in the interior, a lot of cars in the day, that's a suicide knob, or
This
some people
thing?
call it a spinner.
Yeah.
And actually, that's my father's.
Oh, really? You took that off of one of his cars?
Well, what I did, I took the silver, the top portion off of his,
Yeah.
which was falling apart. I found a green one, and I put it together.
Okay. And the green one matches the interior beautifully.
Right. But they're illegal. They've been illegal for about maybe, I don't know, 50 years. You're
Yeah.
not allowed. Unless you're a farmer, then you can put it on your tractor.
Well, I love the car. And you got Packard written across the glove box door over there.
Glove box is very, very nice size.
What's the story on that little door? Is that an ashtray for the passenger?
Yes.
I see a little door on the right, to the right
And
of the
there's one
glove
on the
box.
left.
And there's one over here? I don't see the one over here. Oh, okay, to
it's
the right
right-
of the column. I see it now.
And there's also, they have them in back. Right here. I don't use it too often. Hasn't been open for a while.
Wow,
There's
look how
one
cool that is.
One
It
on
just-
each side.
It just slides in and out of the
Mhm.
panel there. Look at that. That is cool. Love your car, Roger.
Thank
Absolutely
you.
love your car. Well, I want to thank you for giving us the time.
You're very welcome.
Love this trim across the top here into the door handle. Look at that.
Mhm.
That is elegance. Love your car, Roger.
Thank you again.
Folks, tell us what you think. 1953 Packard Caribbean convertible. Leave your comments below. Definitely like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again, Roger.